What's up guys, welcome back. My name is Justin. Today we're going to be going over the sound differences between an unequal length header and an equal length header on your BRZ FRS or 86. So before we get to the sound clips, a quick recap on the design differences between the UEL and the EL headers. If you remember from my Ace header video where we compared the Ace header against my RevWorks unequal length header, we showed you the visual design differences and how the headers looked different from a piping perspective. Basically, the unequal length header has unequal length pipes for both exhaust sides of the engine. There's 4 ports on the exhaust side, 2 on each side of the engine, and basically one pair of those pipes being shorter than the other side. The equal length header piping, on the other hand, is equal length for both sides of the car, for both exhaust ports on each side of the engine. Now, of course, there are various performance differences with the different types of headers, UEL versus EL, which we covered in my Ace header dyno video when we compared it to that RevWorks like I mentioned earlier. Now, from a sound perspective, they are also quite a bit different. The UEL type header provides that iconic type of boxer rumble that is found on WRXs and other cars with boxer engines. So that's a pretty common upgrade going with the UEL header, specifically just to get that boxer rumble of a sound. Now, on the other hand, the equal length headers do not have that boxer rumble. The stock header that comes with these cars is an equal length style header. There is no boxer rumble whatsoever. You do have a kind of high revving, high race engine type of sound that comes from the cars with the equal length header. So no rumble, more of a screaming type high revving engine sound on the EL side, whereas the UEL side has that boxer rumble. All right, so no more talky, let's get to the sounds. We'll throw up some sounds with my UEL header on the car. That was my RevWorks header that I had. And then we'll compare that to the Ace header again, which is the equal length header. You guys can kind of decide for yourself what you think sounds better. Let's get to it. All right, everybody, so what do you think? Unequal length header versus the equal length header? Definitely different sounds from each of them. I like the sound of the Boxer rumble, but I really like the screaming engine sound of the equal length headers as well. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. As always, I love to hear from you. And thanks again, everybody, for watching. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more good stuff coming up real soon. Stay fast out there. I am checking out. Talk to you all next time.